Hello everyone and welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete absolutely every single email in your Gmail account. Whether you are running out of storage space or just want a fresh start, this is the nuclear option to wipe the slate clean. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. So the first thing we need to understand is that if you just delete emails from your inbox, you might miss things you have archived or stored in other folders. To get everything, we need to go to the All Mail section. Go ahead and open up Gmail in your browser. Now look at that sidebar on the left. You usually see Inbox and Sent there. I want you to scroll down a little bit and click on More to expand the list. Scroll down just a little further until you see a label called All Mail. Go ahead and click on that. This view shows you every single message in your account. Inbox, archives, sent items, everything. Now, just like with other bulk deletions, there is a specific trick to make sure we grab everything at once, not just the first page. Go ahead and look at that little empty square checkbox at the very top left of the email list, right above the first message. Click that box. You'll see it checks all the emails currently on your screen. But wait, we aren't done. If you have thousands of emails, you will see a message pop up right above the list that says, all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Right next to that, there is a blue link that says, select all conversations in All Mail. You must click that blue link. That is the only way to tell Google, yes, I really mean everything in my entire account. Once you have clicked that link and selected everything, we are ready to hit the button. Go ahead and click the trash icon in the top toolbar. Because this is such a huge action, Google will likely ask you to confirm it with a pop-up confirmation. Go ahead and click OK. It might take a moment to process if you have years of emails. Now, those emails are technically still taking up space in your trash folder. If you want that storage space back right now, we have one last step. Click on Trash in the left sidebar. At the top of the list, click the link that says Empty Trash Now. Hit OK one last time, and your Gmail account is now completely empty and fresh. And that's it. You have successfully wiped your account clean. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.